Here's my little pieces I got left. And see, I was able to save a 6-footer, so I can take that back. Dun, 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 dun. Let's come in here and see our shelves. There you go. You know, I've been kind of dreading putting these shelves in, but hey, you know, once I got going, it's worked out good. And remember, this one here was a 42 and 42, and you can't even really tell, can you? Well, see, I've got this spanning over halfway, and then I took those plastic end caps. I decided to use some of them. I cut the tip off and just used this as a coupling, and slid it on there so you didn't see the joint. Okay, I could have done that. I decided to do that after I did the bottom shelf. See, this left one was a 6-foot shelf. This was a 4-foot that I cut. See how a little bit sets over, a little bit sets over on top of the shelf bracket. And see, if I really wanted to, I could take these 2 shelves back out, put some couplings, you know, just like I did there, right here. I don't necessarily have to do that back one. I could do that one, that one, that one, and that one. If I really wanted to, you know, I could do that. And then these other ones, see, they don't span over that far, and these are pretty stout. This is not going to bend from here to there, and there's no way I can put very much stuff from here to there, see? And so when I cut them, I made sure I had this end piece sticking out far enough so I could put the little plastic caps on, the rubber caps. That makes that all finished off. So I did that there, on those, on this one here, see? I put those on there. This one didn't stick out as far, so I had to trim the back of this rubber cap off. And I try to make these a little bit longer so I could use the full cap. See how much longer these are than the top ones. And I just trimmed them off. I used my snips and chopped them off. You can do it with scissors, whatever. And then I got everything lined up nice and square. And there you go. And see, then I just leave that carpet there. I've got that carpet upside down. I don't want to leave the carpet backing down on top of the vinyl flooring planking, because it'll scratch it and mark it all up. So it's just, I mean, nobody's ever going to see this, and we can stack other things over there. And as you know, we have a cat, and we're going to try to train it to come through this hole here, and we'll put her cat box right there right now. We just have been having it set out here. See? And so hopefully we can get her to go in there, and then we don't have to have that stuff out there. I mean, we'll put her food somewhere else other than where her little potty box is. So now we've got enough room for that right there. And there's her little area to go in and out. Okay, and we're all set. And Mommy, she also got a little hook rack, and we're thinking about putting that up here. And if we want, we could get those little spice racks, screw them to the door here. Let that stick out because that's going in there. We could do that for more stuff if we wanted to. I was thinking about putting little spice racks here too, but they can only be from here this way, so I'd have to measure that and maybe put some stuff in here. So see, when you have small little areas, you just have to make do with what you got, right? And so we'll put all this stuff back in here. And that's why I only wanted that 12 inches, so there was enough room so I could walk through here and we can stack things up high over here. See, we got some chairs here. We've got some other tall stuff. Maybe that stuff over there, and you know, the toilet paper stuff. If it's too high, we can put that up against that back wall, or we can stack it in there. We'll get it all figured out. Okay. Well, I hope you learned something on this video series. Ooh-wee, I'm glad that's over with. Now to clean up. The job's not done until I clean up. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. We'll see what I'm going to do next time. I have no idea what's coming up next. But, you know, when I get ready to show some more videos or do some more projects, yes, of course, I'll make more videos for you.